TV, man. This is the girl in there.
Moto there. Annually,
yeah, that we are talking about.
Oi, hey, I don't want no one woman. All I want is plenty woman. Give me plenty woman.
I did not expect that. You two what to do? It's your boy Ty, and I'm back with another video. Fuck that shit, I'm dead. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. But I will back with another video for you guys. Right now I have Motto One Wine. It's Thursday, Soca Thursdays. You all know it goes down already over here. Now let's see what's happening for this video right now. Song called One Woman. Official music video. This is 2019 Soca, but guess what? It is Soca Thursdays, and someone recommended this under the last one. We finna run into it right now. Let's see what's popping. Like the video, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post, and we'll post every single day. And the goal, the aim for this year is 40k by December the 31st. We are currently sitting at 500 subscribers away from the goal. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, tip your mother, your brother, your auntie, your sister, your uncle, your bonner man, your man, friend, your sister, friend, your brother, your uncle, everybody, your granny, your grandpa, great, your classmate, your teacher, bonner man, your friend, cheater man, bonner, hey, tip everybody one and subscribe right now. Because what go on. What? Okay. Let's see what's going on. Whatcha? What the doors to you, boss?
Babe.
Where you now coming from?
What do you mean where I come from? You know where I come from?
Motto, all this little small work you're doing here and there. You're studying to get real work.
What do you mean small work as an artist and a producer?
These females get me afraid of Trinidad, man. But because I saw them miserable for you. I saw them talk. Imagine them all talk to me, so.
This is what I do for my living. What's wrong with you?
Knife.
You want this music thing? I don't tell you, it's a waste of time.
You always wait. What's wrong with you? So what are you doing for us? Yes, boy. So one to you,
What you
girl.
gonna sing about?
What you mean?
Shut it down, party?
Yes. What,
You feel
what's
anybody
wrong
wants
with
to hear
that?
that?
What's wrong with that? Man.
We have bills to pay, we have apartments to pay for, we have phones to pay for, we have lights to pay for, cable, all kind of things, and you don't do.
Come put me in that TV, man. This is the girl in there.
Moto there. Annually,
yeah, that we are talking about.
Oi, hey, I don't want no one woman. All I want is plenty woman. Give me plenty woman.
I did not expect that. I did not expect the lyrics here. You know what? Go on!
I don't want no one woman. All I want is plenty woman. Give me plenty woman. You know why them girl, them does on, them does on. Them man, them does on, them does on. I don't want one girl, two girl, three girl, four, five girl, six girl. Give me more. 5, 10, and 20 more. I just want them.
These females do got potential, you understand me? Yep, 4 years ago, well, it's still late. It's late.
I don't want no one woman. All I want is plenty woman. Give me plenty woman.
I said,
I don't want no one. All I want is plenty woman.
I got the same shirt. That's crazy. It's the legit same shirt. I was gonna put this on for Soca Thursdays this week, but I changed my mind. I got the same shirt though. Let go.
Give me plenty woman.
bet say him wife that.
She got the wetty, and I like that. I don't want no one woman. All I want is
Oh my gosh. So my god.
plenty woman. Give me plenty woman. Yeah. I don't want no one woman. All I want is plenty woman. Give me plenty woman. Yeah. Them girl, them that's on. Them that's on. Them man, them that's on. Them that's on. I don't want 1 girl, 2 girl, 3 girl, 4, 5 girl, 6 girl. Give me more. 5, 10, and 20 more. I just want them more. I don't want no one woman. All I want is plenty woman. Give me plenty woman. Yeah. I don't want no one woman.
Why?
All I want is plenty woman. Give me plenty woman. Yeah. All she wants is one man. All she wants is one man. Today no K. Single people time. Moto there.
Single people time. Carnival is real single people time. So say if you're not single when you come to carnival, you know say you have to go to carnival with your man, you can only wine pan your man. And for the man them, don't go carnival go say I wine pan one next woman. I'm sorry for you. Your life will go end. Natural disaster. Especially if you're wine too hard pan she and not like you wine pan your own girl. Especially if she have a bigger body than your own girl. A trouble that you put yourself in. Careful what you do for your life. Jesus love you to children. Signing out. Peace.